everyone, I am Natasha. Today I am drawing a baby shark. Let's draw and paint with me. First I am drawing baby shark head. Now I am drawing baby shark mouth.
A, B, C, D, E, F,
Now I am drawing its eyes by using coin.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X.
Wow! Baby shark is watching the drawing. Now I am drawing baby shark right pectoral, fin and tail. Now I am drawing left pectoral fin. Now I am drawing two starfish.
K, L, M, N, O, P, Q,
Now I am drawing a small fish.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you see?
There is some water bubble. Let's paint baby shark with me.
Now I know.
Now I am using yellow color.
Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The
Now I am painting with cream color.
all through the town.
Wow, it is looking so beautiful.
Wheels on the bus. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus.
Now I am painting with red color and brown color.
Yeah! The wheels on the bus. Yeah! The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus.
Now I am using orange color for small fish and starfish.
People on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town.
Now I am using green color for fish, fin and tail. sky blue color sketch. Now I am using dark blue color sketch. Wow, it is looking so beautiful after coloring. See you on next video. Bye bye.